All right, fantastic. It's Mrs. Grabsky again. So hopefully you've taken a few minutes and filled out those first the three key sections that everybody needs to have. Now notice they're in your high school and beyond plan. There are a ton of other sections that are ways to really showcase. It would be a lot to do all of them, but I want you to take a few minutes and look at those other sections and make a plan of how to fill out a couple of those over your high school career. So either over the rest of your senior year, doing some community service, doing some volunteer hours. We're all working on our service hours. Clubs you can join, activities you can do, things you can do to really strengthen and deepen your resume. This is the time where you have those opportunities where you can really build your resume and showcase who you are. So take a minute, look at those other sections, and jot down a few things that you might plan on doing here at your time at Quincy High School so that when you walk out, this resume is just bursting with all of the things that you need to get you on to the next step of whatever it is you choose to do when you leave our doors. All right, now to print, so you can use this resume anytime if you're looking for a job this summer. Right now, you're just going to use the down arrow when you do build a resume. If you notice, we looked at all these sections and we went through the top three a minute ago, but you can click on print resume. And when you do that, you're going to get a couple different template options. All you have to do is click on the option and it's going to download it and you can print it right out and use it at any time. And it's a pretty decent format. But I want you to notice the big orange button underneath thing that says add resume files. Now, this is if you want to really up level it and use a more professional resume. I want to show you two options that I highly recommend. The first one I'll show you is one that I use professionally and I recommend to all people that come to me of all ages and all stages in their career when they talk to me about how to build a professional resume when you don't have maybe all of the tools to put it together. So that is in Canva. So if you navigate to Canva, it's not Canvas, it's Canva, CANVA.com. You can get a free account. You can use your school email address, and it has so many options in here. You can do all kinds of graphic design. It makes you look super professional without being super professional. You can do business cards and everything, but I really want to highlight the resume templates that they have available. So once you click on that and create a free account, you're going to click on templates, and then you can click on resumes. The thing about Canva too is if you notice when you log on, they have a whole learn section right here at the top. So anytime you want to learn about something, they have a whole library of just 1 to 3 minute videos that teach you all these different things about using the right font, about color choice, about putting things together to make your resume or any other personal or business publications look really professional. So you're going to click on resumes. And you're going to click on high school, and then you're going to get a series of templates. So under these templates, there's a few that you just browse through, find one that you like. And there's a few that I recommend, and there's a few I would stay away from. Stay away from any of the templates that have too much open space. It kind of says visually that I don't have a lot to say, even if the other part is packed. Don't stay away from too many colors. Stick to just very professional colors like a dark blue or a green. You want to just keep away from overpowering with too many colors. And then stay away from, they have ones where that picture's really big. That is when you want to stay away too. It just says, I don't have so much to say, so here's a huge picture of my face. So make sure you pick one that kind of has it all together. So some good examples. These four, Richard Sanchez, Patricia Brown, Rochelle Bowdry, and Tracy Weldon, are the name of some of the examples that would be ones you could look at. Just open up that template, click away, fill it all together. And when you're ready, you can click on this download. It looks just like you want. Click on the download button, download a PDF print. And look at that beautiful resume that just takes it an extra level that we can't get in the high school and beyond plan. And you will have it ready to go. I want to show you Google Docs on the next little video, but that is how to create a great one in Canva.